When you talk about a bathroom upgrade, most people only think about the tile, the fixtures, or even the glass door. But what actually carries the weight and gives you the comfort you feel every single day is the tub base. It's part of your bathtub and shower system that often goes unnoticed, yet it plays an essential role in durability, safety, and overall performance of your bathroom. Hi, I'm Curtis from Bytown Better Baths and Showers. In this video, we will break down the different tub base options so you'll know exactly what works best for your home, your budget, and your lifestyle. The choice of your bathtub is an important starting point when planning your next renovation. It can set the tone between a more traditional look or a much more modern look. The main advantage of an easy entry bathtub is the low deck height. This makes it easier to get into the shower area, but at the same time, still gives you the ability to use it as a bathtub. For deep armrest soaker, the features that most resonate with our clients are its inviting feel and the traditional look. If you're going for a traditional looking bathroom, this can really help to set the tone at the very beginning. One space-saving option for certain clients is taking out a drop-in bathtub and installing an island bathtub. This gives you the benefit of removing the deck that generally houses a drop-in bathtub and gives you much more space inside the bathroom. With budget being such a large factor, it's important to find the right balance between luxury fixtures and practical solutions. Redesigning the layout of the bathroom may seem like a great idea, but oftentimes will cause that price to skyrocket. If a customer will be using a bathtub for its intended purpose as a bathtub, heat retention is a big factor. When choosing your bathtub, it's important to know the differences between the materials and how they will affect that bathing experience. So if you're planning a bathroom upgrade and you want your tub installed the right way, Bytown Bath is here to help. And just visit us at www.bytownbath.com to book your service and let our tub and shower specialist handle the work for you. And if you found today's video helpful, please go ahead and give us a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's thinking about their bathroom upgrade. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.